Namaste friends, welcome back to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a special stitch called the horizontal bobble stitch between the 3DC groups. So these horizontal bobbles are placed underneath them and between the 3DC groups here. It's a 2-row repeat pattern. To make this particular pattern, we require multiples of 4 plus 2 as the beginning chains. I made this with indigo green of iron yarn, which is anti-pill 100% premium acrylic medium weight 4 yarn with color code 2019. I shall make the required number of chains and get back to you for demonstration. I have made 3 repeats of 4 plus 2, 14 chains. To begin, make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook, chain 4. We should make a bobble in the single crochet that we made. Insert the hook into the yarn over, insert the hook into the single crochet just we made, pull up a loop, again yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert the hook into the single, pull up a loop. Now yarn over, pull through all the 7 loops on the hook, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th you make a single crochet again. Chain 4, a bobble again in the single crochet that we made now, yarn over, pull through all 7 loops on the hook, skip the next 3 chains, single crochet in the next, continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end here. Thus we need to make one more, chain 4, a bobble in the single crochet that we made, and place a single crochet in the last chain. So this completes row 1 for us. For row 2, chain 3 and turn and make 2 double crochets in the very first stitch. This is a very simple row. First one is of course a standing twisted double crochet, one more, and 3 DCs on every single crochet that we have made in between the horizontal bobbles. Sorry. Three DC in the next single crochet. Sorry, it's slippery. And 2 DC in the last single crochet here. For next row, chain 1 turn, single crochet on the very first stitch, chain 4, a bobble in the single crochet, so yarn over, pull through all 7 loops on the hook, single crochet in the middle DC. We have 3 DC groups. In the middle DC, single crochet, chain 4, a bobble in the single crochet just made, single crochet in the next DC, chain 4, bobble in the single crochet just made, and single crochet in the last stitch here. So this completes one pattern repeat. Rows 2 and 3 are the pattern repeat rows. So you can, it gives a flower like look, floral look, and it gives we have the horizontal bobble stitches holding the flower like structure here. So you can consider the DC side as the right side. So this gives a beautiful look, and when you repeat this pattern for a few more rows, this is how it looks. You can see the florets here. This fabric is little thick, and it's very good for warm clothing, and it's very good for blankets too. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Please do subscribe and hit on the bell icon so that you will be notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Please do like and share too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day friends.